step into a realm where the lines between myth and reality blur. In this exploration, we delve into the enigmatic condition known as hypertrichosis, often dubbed the Werewolf Syndrome. Join us as we uncover the scientific insights, human stories, and mysteries surrounding this rare and intriguing phenomenon. Our journey begins by unraveling the genetic intricacies behind hypertrichosis. This rare disorder, caused by genetic mutations, leads to abnormal hair growth across the body, defying the usual limits of human hair patterns. It's important to note that hypertrichosis is distinct from hirsutism, which is excessive hair growth due to hormonal imbalances. Hypertrichosis manifests in a spectrum of forms, ranging from localized cases to more generalized patterns. Lanugohypertrichosis, characterized by fine, downy hair, is often seen in newborns and may resolve on its own. In contrast, generalized hypertrichosis involves excessive hair growth across the entire body, resembling the fantastical werewolf imagery. Turning back the pages of history, we encounter remarkable individuals like Julia Pastrana, hailed as the Bearded Lady. These individuals often found themselves at the intersection of curiosity, exploitation, and compassion in societies captivated by their unique appearances. Despite the exploitation, their stories highlight the enduring human spirit. The allure of hypertrichosis has often inspired myths and legends, with tales of werewolves capturing the human imagination. While reality stands apart from these fantastical narratives, the syndrome's impact on culture cannot be denied. These myths mirror the societal fascination with the extraordinary. Modern science has illuminated the underlying causes of hypertrichosis, revealing the role of specific genes and hormonal imbalances. Researchers strive to understand its complexities, leading to potential treatments and support for affected individuals. Medical interventions, such as laser therapy and topical treatments, offer hope to mitigate the physical challenges hypertrichosis presents. Amidst the medical and scientific aspects, we must recognize the emotional and psychological impact hypertrichosis has on those who live with it. Resilience, acceptance, and support play crucial roles in fostering a sense of belonging beyond physical appearance. The importance of mental health resources cannot be overstated. In a world connected by technology, individuals with hypertrichosis find solace and strength in online communities. These spaces foster understanding, empathy, and the celebration of uniqueness, fostering a sense of unity despite geographical distances. It's through shared experiences that they find camaraderie and understanding. As we conclude our exploration, we're reminded that hypertrichosis transcends stereotypes and superficial judgments. Advocates challenge society's perceptions, advocating for greater understanding, inclusivity, and the recognition of inner beauty. These advocates strive for a world where diversity is celebrated and everyone is valued for who they are. Our voyage into the realm of hypertrichosis offers a glimpse into the resilience of the human spirit and the power of community. In celebrating our shared humanity, we cast aside superficial judgments, embracing the remarkable diversity that defines us. If our exploration of hypertrichosis has ignited your curiosity and empathy, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Join us as we continue our quest to uncover the mysteries that enrich our understanding of the human experience.